Okay, let's talk about the WOMELF Multifunction and Delicate 61 Keys digital music electronic keyboard. This instrument is really positioned as an excellent starting point for anyone looking to dive into the world of playing piano, especially beginners and adults who are just starting to explore their musical interests. Right off the bat, one of the key things about this keyboard is its design. It's described as being made from quality, environmentally friendly materials, which is a nice touch. More importantly for a beginner, it's lightweight and portable. This means it's super easy to pick up and move around, whether you want to play in a different room, take it outside on a nice day, or even bring it to a friend's house. The portability really adds to the convenience, allowing you to enjoy playing anytime and anywhere. Looking at the keys themselves, it features 61 black and white keys. They're described as delicate, which suggests a comfortable feel for learning. The layout is standard for a 61 keyboard, making it easy for new players to get familiar with the notes and basic hand positions. The simplicity of the layout is highlighted as being easy to understand and easy to learn on. Now, onto the features that make this more than just a basic keyboard. It comes packed with a good variety of sounds and rhythms to keep things interesting. You get 16 different kinds of timbre, which are basically different instrument sounds, allowing you to experiment beyond just a standard piano sound. There are also 8 kinds of percussion instrument recordings, 10 different rhythms to play along with, and 6 demo songs that you can listen to or play along with to get a feel for things. Plus, it has volume adjustment, which is essential for practicing without disturbing others or for playing in different environments. A unique and fun addition is the included mini microphone. This is a great feature, especially for beginners or younger players, as it allows users to sing along while they are playing. It adds another layer of engagement and creativity to the learning process. This makes it convenient for playing both indoors and outdoors, adding a performance element even for practice sessions. The overall goal of this electronic piano, according to the description, is to make the process of learning piano simpler and more interesting. By providing a range of sounds, rhythms, and the ability to sing along, it aims to keep beginners motivated and engaged. It's presented as the perfect instrument for piano beginners and the best choice for those just starting out or pursuing their musical hobbies. It seems designed to remove some of the intimidation factor often associated with learning an instrument and make it a more enjoyable journey. So, if you're an adult beginner or someone looking for a portable, feature-rich, and easy-to-learn-on electronic keyboard, the WOMELF 61 Keys digital music electronic keyboard appears to be a strong contender. Its combination of portability, beginner-friendly design, and useful features like the microphone and varied sounds make it seem like a solid option for getting started with playing music.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.